What's up guys, and we are here today to code a C++ program by which we're gonna give commands, and after that we're gonna get some outputs. So before that we're gonna know that we're doing it in C++ and the file I'm doing it is dev C++ 5.11. You can do it in any C++ program. I'm just using this. And just so you know, at first we're gonna do it with we're gonna click the button file over here in the top right button, and then we have this new, and then we're gonna click source file, or you can click Ctrl+N in your keyboard. After that we have a new file open, and then we're gonna start by writing hashtag include iostream, and in the next line we use using namespace std. Just don't forget to give the yes, and then the next line we're gonna give integer main, then we're gonna give brackets. So first, as I told before, we're gonna give some commands or some inputs if you say so, and those inputs come in different kind of inputs like integers, float, characters. So first we're gonna try an integer. As we know what an integer is, it starts from 0 to anything. So we're going to start integer a. So this a is a variable. So this a variable, if we give this anything, we're going to get an integer which will be equal to this, just as maths. And then we give this a integer a will be 0, and then the next one integer capital A would be 145. So just note that a variable is very different from this a variable, and that's because they are different numbers, different letters. So we're gonna move on, and then we're gonna have float b. Where we have float b, we have 0.01411514. Yep, and then we're gonna give that one. Next one will be character C, which will be equal to X, and then we have character D, which will be equal to 34. So here we have all of the inputs, and it's not gonna be like we're gonna give inputs and it will give outputs. So before that we're gonna give some outputs, and then it will come some inputs for outputs like cout. Then we're gonna give a. Just note that when we give these inverted commas, we're not gonna get the value 0 or the value of a variable. We're gonna get only the letter A, as we asked for the letter A in the inverted commas. So first I'm gonna give A, is equal to A, and then we're gonna get to another line, cout, and that one will be just a break like this, and then we're gonna move on to another line, and this time we're going to give the cout of the capital A, or you can give like this, and then an equal over here, and then A. And the next line we give a break again. We have b, float b, so we don't actually write float b, we just write the variable b because we want the variable b to be in the output. First, b is equal to give b, and then again cout C is equal to C. And then again in the next line, cout d is equals to d. So till now we have written everything including the outputs, and then we have the inputs. After that, what we're gonna do is return 0. And then we have this button here, execute. We're gonna click it here, and then we have compile, and then run, and then compile and run, and then rebuild all. Instead of that, there are some buttons like F9, F10, F11, F12, where you can just click it over the F11 button or anything, or just click this button. I'm gonna keep compile and run because I want to compile and run at the same time. So I'm gonna click it, and then I have this is the file name, and then I'm gonna keep it code D. And then just note that it's saving as a type of C++ source files, and there are others. If I want another, I'll give another one. Just for now, we're giving C++ source files, and then we're gonna save it. And then it's gonna come, the back screen appears. What we see over here is we get A, and then 0, what we asked for, and then we get the value of B, and then we get X, and then N. That was all for today. Thank you very much.